Hello. So much has happened since I've done one of these video messages. I was actually in Minnesota on the night that George Floyd was murdered. Such a tragedy. I was so heartsick to see that happen, and then to see that it became the match that lit the fire around the world. And yet, on the other hand, it has been inspiring to finally see people come together in our country and confront the racism that has actually always existed in our country. So I wanted you to know what we at JF&CS are doing about that. I'm proud to say we have a very diverse workforce. I have asked our staff to share their personal stories, to allow them to share what it's been like to both be at JF&CS, to be in their communities, and to share what has shaped their lives and affected them in their day-to-day. We're going to gather in facilitated groups and learn from each other. We're really going to listen and come to a common understanding. And then we're going to say, what's next? What actions can we take, both to shape our internal culture and also to discover what is our role in the broader community? How can we leverage our understanding and our expertise to make a difference? For now, in our parenting groups, we're encouraging parents to begin to have those conversations about race and racism with their own families. So you'll hear more about that in the coming days. I also want to let you know what's happening with our food pantry. We have a great partnership with the Atlanta Community Food Bank, and right now, those who are coming to JF&CS for food get a wonderful box of fresh produce and fresh fruits. So we are very grateful to the Atlanta Food Bank for that. This is Alzheimer's Awareness Month. It's a subject that's near and dear to my heart, as both my mom and dad have cognitive memory impairment. I'm really lucky because when I'm with them, it's like I have the same mom and dad that I've always had. They don't have any short-term memory, but it hasn't seemed to diminish the quality of our relationships. We have a Brain Health Bootcamp that makes such a difference for those living with some kind of a brain impairment. So if you or your loved ones have that, please do check that out. I wish that in the community where my parents are, they had that opportunity. So finally, I wish you and your families good health. I wish you peace and comfort in the coming days, and may we all join together in the healing that is so critical during this time.